In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram ad issues. So if your ad is not being delivered or if your ad is being rejected or restricted, you might face some ad issues. So in order to fix it, what you can do is simply try these methods. First of all, if your ad is rejected or restricted, what you have to do is simply review the policies. Your ad has likely violated the policy, so ensure the content does not violate policies on violence, adult content, or prohibited financial products. Also make sure to avoid reusing the banned ad assets. Also make sure to complete the identity verification in Meta Business Support Home. If your account has been restricted, what you can do is simply request the review. Sometimes you might be facing the ad issues because of the restricted account, so make sure to use the request review feature in account quality if you believe the rejection was a mistake and appeal for it. If your ad is not being delivered or if you're facing the low results, what you can do is simply wait for the learning phase. Allow the ads to run for at least 7 days in order to optimize. Also try checking the budget or targeting. Increase budget or broaden audience targeting if the audience is too narrow. Also make sure to check the payment method. Ensure a valid payment method is connected to your Facebook account. Also make sure to check the ad account health. Verify that your ad account is not restricted. If you're facing some technical errors, what you can do is simply try logging out of your account and logging in again. After that, your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the things that you can try in order to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Instagram ad issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.